Hey all, what up? Welcome to the Tamas vlog. I know you're wondering, bro, where's the lights? And the reason is it's raining pretty badly outside, and I wanted to make myself cozy and also wanted you guys to feel that coziness. Okay, we are not talking about anything today. We are not talking chemistry, we are not talking biology, or we're not talking business, just because I wanted to chill for some time and just have a good time with you guys. It is more of just both of us appreciating the moment that we are having right now. I mean, right now, I literally mean right now, wherever you are, if you're watching in a car or if you're watching in a room sleeping on your bed, let it be wherever you are. This is just another grateful moment in our life. Okay, tell with me, just be grateful for whatever you have around you right now in your life. For example, I am grateful for my camera, or I am grateful for the room that I live in order to make a vlog, or I am grateful for you guys and I am grateful for this fluffy pillow that I got. This is the pillow that my dad sent me. It's really fluffy and I've been loving it recently. So let's just all be grateful for this cozy moment that we both are having right now. Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, this pillow is super fluffy to hold and talk to you guys. Also, I'm sending you some good vibes from me because a random person in the gym today looked right at my eyes and told me to have a good workout with a nice little smile, which really made me feel good and happy for that moment itself. And it was as if he is transferring some of the good vibes from his soul to mine, and in turn, I wanted to send some of my good vibes to yours. Small fun fact, I have also started a Twitter handle recently to put down my thoughts itself, because I realized that Instagram is not really a place where it doesn't give me the whole fulfillment of writing down a thought while posting the photo itself. Hey, you can also take a look at my Twitter handle, but please don't follow me. Otherwise, I'll feel awkward and I'll stop pouring down my thoughts itself. But I ain't gonna lie, I kinda like my Twitter handle more than my Instagram handle itself. It's really good and you can take a look at it, but please don't follow, right? One more fun fact. I have finished this book that is Ichigo Ichi Self. Okay, I want to give my thoughts on this book. First of all, this book is of great quality. Look at this hardcover and look at these pages. It's so cute. This book is so cute. Although I haven't read a lot of books, but this has been one of the best books that I've ever read. When it comes to reading books, I generally tend to see the perspective of the person who's writing and whether if he's making me to feel good after reading the book itself. More than the things that I learned from reading this book, it made me feel good just by reading it. So just give it a go if you're really into reading books, or just send me your address, I'll send my book itself. I kind of don't want to end this vlog over here, but I have to because of my time constraints itself. But it's as if I'm pouring down my thoughts in whatever I'm feeling every day. And today has been a really cozy and a good vibes day, which made me bring you to feel the same experience that I am feeling. I know there's not any story involved in this vlog itself, but still, I'm sending you all positive and good vibes, and this is all I wanted to do for this vlog and check in with you guys. Have an amazing day. I'll see you back tomorrow. Also, talking about tomorrow, it's been so long since I took you guys outside. I know. We have only been talking inside my room. Let's see. We might go outside tomorrow. We might. Let's see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I was just making a thumbnail and I didn't know what to do. I was like staring right at the camera.